How to change graph in Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to change the graph view in Robinhood app, including time frames and candlestick charts. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood on your phone. If you're an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you're an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. After you log into your account, you'll see this home page. Now tap on stock or asset you want to view, or you can also click on the search bar and type in the stock that you want to view. After that, below the graph, you'll see the time frames like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year and 5 year. Tap 1 to change how much price history the chart shows. Now next step is to switch to candlestick chart. To switch from the default line graph to candlestick chart, tap on the chart icon in the top right corner and select candlestick. If you are new to candlestick chart, each bar shows the open, close, high and low price for that time period. Great for technical analysis. And that's how you change the graph view in Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.